The next part of our experiments on matter, we're going to be looking at this block of ice, and we're going to look and see what kind of properties it has. Is it in a solid form? Is it in a liquid form? Or is it in a gas form? We're going to pour a little bit of water on it and see what happens. Ooh. By looking at what's happening, what do you think is going on? What is all of this steam? Is it steam? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it following a pattern that we're used to seeing, for example, when ice melts? Is it going from a solid state to a liquid state, or is it going to a gas state? And why do you think that's happening? Kind of looks like a volcano. Some water, we're going to pour it over these ice cubes in the bowl and see what happens. Do we get the same kind of effect when we add water to ice? Ice is cold. Are we getting this steam? Are we getting this vapor? Why or why not? And I have to wear gloves because this dry ice is very, very cold and it will burn. I can pick up an ice cube and it's cold, but it's fine. No steam when we add water. We add water to the dry ice. So, is this following our rule that ice goes to a liquid, and then from a liquid it goes to a gas? What's happening here? It's in a solid form, and this appears to be a gas. How did that happen? Why do you think that happened? What do you think is going on? If we get up close, we can hear the sound of the dry ice. There's the water. It has a crackling sound. Almost as if it's on fire. When we pour water over the ice cubes, there's a little bit of a crackling sound, but it's not quite the same. Why is that? Dry ice. Watch the steam. What do you think will happen if we leave this here long enough? Will it melt? What happens if I don't pour any more water on it? What happens if we leave the ice out and pour more water? Eventually it may melt, depending on the temperature of the environment, or it may just sit there. Not doing much. So compare this dry ice in a solid form going to steam or a vapor form versus this ice, which is solid, and it's just sitting there. sitting there, still in a solid form.